Topic 12, frequency polygons and group frequency diagrams. It's very important you know the difference. A frequency polygon is a line graph, a straight line graph even, joining up the midpoints. So I'd be looking for the midpoints of these values and then joining them up with a straight line graph. A group frequency diagram would be a bar chart. So read the question carefully. If I was asked for a group frequency diagram of this one, I need to do a bar chart. So on the back, my first thing would be from 90 to 95, and there's 4 bars. So right, there's no scale drawn on this question, so I have to think about drawing the scale. My chest measurements goes from 90 up to 110. So because we go from 90 to 110, I'm going to start with 0, and because otherwise, so I get a nice spread out value, I'm going to start by 90. That zigzag means I can start where I want, and to satisfy what they were asking me, I'm going to go 95, 100, 105, 110, and that one is chest measurement. I'm going to make sure I always label the axis. Going up now, up on the right hand side, we're going to be dealing with the number of boys. The highest value is 12. So I'm looking there, I haven't got 12 squares. So I'm going to go up in 2s. So let's have a look at the number of boys. Let's go up in 2s. So I got 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And just to make it easier for myself, I'm going to go up and mark every 5 squares. So I can see where 1 is, 3 is, 5, 7, 9, right, so let's have a little look at this one now then. The first one was 90 to 95 and up 4. Because it asks for the group frequency diagram, I am going to draw the bar chart. So I'm going to do a continuous bar chart. So 90 to 95, up 4. The next one said 95 to 100, and up 12. So this time I'm going to mark it across on 12, and then I'm going to draw a straight line straight down. The next one talks about 100 to 105, up 3, and then the last height was 1. So when I go in, I'm going to cross through 100 to 105, 3, and 105 to 110 is 1, and that completes my group frequency diagram. For the next one, I'm going to be doing frequency polygons. Alright, so for frequency polygons, I'm drawing a line graph from the midpoints. So going across, I got my values from 0 to 30. So I'm going to be doing 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Going up, it goes up as far as 58 on my table. So I'm going to go up as far as 58. And I can see I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to go up in 10s. So I'm going to be doing 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Going up, I got the number of phone calls. So I'm going to label that on the axis. Going across, I got duration. Right, let's have a little look at this one then. The first one was 0 to 5, up 36. It's asking for a frequency polygon. Okay, so 0 to 5, the midpoint of 0 and 5 is going to be 2.5. The midpoint of 5 and 10 is 7.5. The midpoint of 10 and 15 is 12.5. The middle of 15 and 20 is 17.5. And so on is 22.5 and 27.5. So I'm going to cross 2.5 and up 36. So when I'm going across 2.5 and up 36, 2.5 is in the middle, 36 would be 35, 36, and I would draw it with a cross. The next one, across 7.5, which is in the middle of 5 and 10, up 58, so that's 2 from the very top. The next one, across 12.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 26. The next one, across 17.5, up 18. The next one, across 22.5, up 10. And the last one, across 27.5 and up 2. And what I will do now with the ruler is join each point up. Straight lines from point to point. And that's a frequency polygon.